Do you really think your retirement will match the prices when you retire? Let's be real, hindi na talaga. Every year, everything gets more expensive. Basic needs, groceries, rent, gas, medical bills. Pero yung retirement benefits, same amount. Hindi tumutugma sa taas ng bilihin. Kung ngayon pa lang hirap na tayong sabayan yung expenses, paano pa kaya pag wala na tayong trabaho, di ba? I don't wanna reach that stage na puro pangamba at kakulangan yung mararamdaman ko. That's why I'm preparing now. Not because I'm scared, but because I want options, freedom, and peace for my future self. If you're also thinking about your future seriously, message me the word ready, and I'll share what I'm doing to secure mine. Have a good one.